I cannot believe it's finally the day that we are launching our new collection. I have it in my hands right here and I cannot wait to introduce you guys to it. You guys have all been asking for this, something that is easy to use, something that is waterproof. These are my Define liquid liners. This is what they look like. We have 6 of them. These are an extension of 6 of our best-selling Define pigments, and they are all liquid liners and they're waterproof, they're smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and super duper long-lasting and extremely easy to use. I cannot wait to show you each one of the colors one by one. They are all priced at ₹999, and we actually have a launch day offer in which you get 15% off if you buy it today. And these are all packaged in this clear tube so you can see exactly which shade it is, and it's actually really easy to store and organize your makeup when you can see what color is what. And it also makes me want to reach out to the products much more. The idea behind my brand has always been to make colors more accessible, to make colors more approachable when it comes to makeup, and that's exactly what these are about. So we have 6 different colors. Let's start with the Arctic. This is our pure white shade. This is what it looks like. It comes in this black box, and this is what the shade looks like. They're all super pigmented, very opaque. I am so happy with the color payoff of each one of the colors, and especially the white. I think you guys are gonna love the white. And because of the brush tip liner that we have, you can also create a lot of different styles. It's going to be very easy for you to create graphic liners with it, and you don't have to activate this pigment or anything. You just open it up and create looks with it. I made sure that the edge was a little rounded as well, so you can even create dots, like big dots or small dots, so it's going to be very easy to apply. Next, we have one of my favorite shades. This is Dehydrate. This is a pastel blue and it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with how cute this color is. It's so vibrant, and this is one of our best-selling colors, so I knew I had to turn this into the liquid version. I actually am wearing it right now with Demonetize, and as you can see, you can also pair up the colors and create some stunning looks. Next, we have Dilemma, which is our purple. Again, such a beautiful pastel shade, super unique. It is a beautiful color and again looks so nice mixed with either our blue or our green. This is also very pigmented. You get an opaque line in just one stroke. Next, we have Delusion. This is one of those colors that everybody's obsessed with, and it looks good on everyone. This is our brightest shade, and it's also one of those colors that if you are afraid of wearing or reaching out to colors, this is something that I know you will be comfortable with, and it looks good with a lot of outfits, or you can just use this and a little bit of the Arctic to just spice up your look. Again, because it comes in the liner format now, it is even easier to apply, and I really hope that you guys try this color out, because once you go Delusion, you cannot go back. Next, we have Dreamy, and I feel like the name is so apt because the shade is truly dreamy, and this is one of my dream shade. When I envisioned Define in my mind, I knew this color needed to be there. This is again a pastel pink, a very soft, vibrant pink, and it just looks so ethereal. I love how soft this color is, and it still gives a nice pop. Last but not the least, we have Demonetize, which is our vibrant neon green. I am absolutely obsessed with this shade of green, and I think out of all of the colors, this is the one that I've worn the most. I would reach forward to this almost every single day when I was trying out the formulation, and I had to like physically force myself into trying the other shades and wearing the other shades as well, as much as I would reach for Demonetize. This is just such a nice color. You can see it on my eyes right now. I have it paired with Dehydrate, again super pigmented, really pigmented, really long lasting, and super satisfying and easy to use. So those were all of the 6 colors. I hope you guys enjoy trying this out. I hope this becomes your new favorite summer eyeliner. I cannot wait for you guys to try this and flaunt it, and please do tag me in your pictures if you try this. Don't forget, there is a launch day offer where you get 15% off. These are all priced at ₹999, and you can find them on my website, which will be linked in the description. Check them out. Let me know what you think. I am super nervous, but I'm also very excited. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this and for supporting me. This could not have been possible without you guys, so thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.